3 reasons why you should not invest in Pag-ibig's MP2. MP2 is yung voluntary savings program ni Pag-ibig. Ito ay government guaranteed, tax-free savings with higher annual returns than the mandatory contribution. But before investing your money here, make sure na number 1, hindi mo kakailanganin yung capital mo within 5 years. 5 years kasi bago mag-mature yung savings mo rito. If kakailanganin mo siyang i-withdraw before the maturity period, medyo lugi ka. Number 2, wala ka pang emergency fund. Pag invested yung pera mo at wala kang emergency fund at biglang nagka-emergency, napipilitan kang i-withdraw prematurely yung plan. So, malulugi ka. And lastly, before investing in MP2, and sa kahit anong investments, make sure na insured ka because having an insurance is like having a safety net or money that we don't have yet. Kapag nagka-critical illness, instead na gagamitin mo yung emergency fund or i-withdraw mo yung investments mo, may perang available for you. It also accelerates your investment opportunities kasi kaysa iipunin mo lahat bago ka mag-invest, you only need a portion of it and then you can invest the rest. Check part 2 dahil pag-uusapan natin on how you can open your MP2 savings plan. This is Kimi, your adulting companion. Sasamahan ka sa adulting journey mo. Comment MP2 part 2 para updated ka sa mga kailangan mo i-prepare bago ka maka-open ng MP2 online account.